Good morning to all. Now let us move to the second problem. In this, during the design of stator frame of a single phase induction motor of 0.5 HP, 230 volt, 50 Hz, 4 pole, following information have been obtained. Gross length of the stator core 7 cm, inner diameter of the stator 11 cm. Determine the following details for the main stator winding of the above motor. So in this, what we need to find out: number of stator slots, complete dimension of the stator slots, total number of turns, slot space factor. So assume a winding factor of 0.78 for the main winding. So first let us write all the given data. They have given here power output, which is a 0.5 HP, voltage V they have given 230, frequency F they have given which is 50, pole P they have given, this is Q, pole P they have given 4, length L they have given, gross length of the stator core 7 cm, internal diameter they have given 11 cm, they have given the winding factor for the main winding which is 0.78 here. Now here what is our first aim? Our first aim is to find out the number of stator slots here. So now number of stator slots, total number of stator slots is equal to number of slots per pole into a pole. Number of slots per pole is assumed in between 9 to 12. So here it is assumed as 9 into P is number of poles. So 9 into 4 it will become a 36. They are totally in the single phase induction motor which we are designing has a 36 slots here. Next we need to find out the dimension of main stator slots here. So it means that we need to find out all these parameters which has been I have mentioned in this particular diagram. Now first let us find out the slot opening here. Slot opening in the sense we need to find out the B10. It means that we need to find out this one here, slot opening, which is a B10 here. So slot opening formulas for the 36 slots is B10 is equal to 0.038 plus 0.0175 into DI. 0.038 is a constant, 0.0175 into DI is the internal diameter which they have given already, which is 11 cm. So B10 0.23 centimeters. Okay. Next we need to find out the depth of the tip of the slot. It means that this H10 we need to find out, and H10 value is always assumed and it is taken as 0.07 centimeter. So H10 value will be equals to 0.07 centimeter. Now next we need to find out the depth of the mouth of the slot. It means that this portion this is H10 and this is H11 we need to find out. H11 is always equals to 1.3 into H10. 1.3 is a constant, H10 is 0.07 which we have assumed. So H11 will be equals to 0.09 centimeter. Now next we need to find out the width of the slot at the mouth. So width of the slot at the mouth in the sense this in between two slots, this width we need to find out, which is B11 here. So B11 is equals to pi di plus 2 H10 plus 2 H11 divided by S1 minus BT1. So in this formula, pi is a constant, di internal diameter which they have given which is 11 centimeter, 2 is a constant, H10 अभी हमने find out किया उसकी value है 0.07 plus 2 is a constant, H11 भी अभी हमने find out किया उसकी value है 0.09, S1 हमने first aim में find out किया which value is a 36 minus BT1. So अभी हमें BT1 find out करना है, that is width of the tooth. So width of the tooth BT1 for the 4 pole motors it is 1.27 is a constant, 0.035 into DI is the internal diameter which is 11 into DI 11 divided by S1 is a 36. So BT1 की value क्या आई यहाँ पे 0.507 centimeter. So substituting all these values in this formula, so B11 value how much we are getting 0.48 centimeters. Thank you.